You know what? I think they're just about ready to meet you. This is JJ.
Where are you? No, the kids wandered off again. Oh, I'm exhausted. And here we are in, Anandapur. Well, at least we're still in India, right? All right, now, let's see. To get back to base camp, I have to take a left at the elevator. Whoa! Did you see that?
Hi, nice to meet you. Well, it turns out, Mr. Jones, you didn't need that compass after all.
Oh, yes, I do, because I'm completely...
Look, you made it to the Anandapur Avian Sanctuary all on your own.
I did?
Yeah, you have birds flying all over the place. Like our silver gull doing loops over here. In the back, those are spoonbills.
Oh, yeah.
And this loud guy, I love him. That always announces his presence. He's called a Hadada ibis. Gets the name from the sound it makes when he's flying overhead. Yeah, these guys are pretty cool flyers too.
Yeah. I got a five.
John, this way, boy.
I can hear it.
I picked up a trail headed this way. It's leading right to Troop Leader Jones.
Russell, you're here, and you're safe, and you're safe, and you're here, and you're here, and you're safe. And oh, thank goodness, your dog is safe too.
It's not just any dog, he's a dog. I found him in South America. And he's trained. Shake, boy.
Oh, yeah, very clever.
Speak, boy.
Hi there.
Hi, Doug. Oh, I should have warned you. The dog talks.
That's a new one.
It sure is. Let me tell you.
Whoa, Troop Leader Jones. Look at all of those birds.
I know, right?
I like the pretty birdies. Yes, I do.
Oh, I do too. Oh, Russell, I would like you to meet Corey.
My name is Russell. Wilderness Explorer Type 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Hi there. My name is
Oh,
Doug.
he'll just keep talking like that all day long. Never stops. Just talking and talking and talking. Russell, now that I've found you and your dog, I gotta get you back home. Although, to be honest, I'm not quite sure which way home is. We're a little bit lost. I'm gonna need my compass back.
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you.
No.
Oh, yes, I can, because squirrel!
And there it is. I think I'll stick with the compass. Yes, but people will be worried about you, Russell, and it's my responsibility to get you home safe and sound.
It's also your responsibility to help me get my bird badge.
Right, I know.
I think I can help you with that.
Oh, yeah.
With my bird badge?
Yeah, you know, in my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behaviors to better understand them. And you can too, Russell.
Yes! Repeat after me. An explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar!
Good job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Very nice.
Look at that, Doug.
That is an interesting birdie.
Yeah, well, this is Miles, our trumpeter hornbill. The trumpeter hornbills are found in the forests of Africa.
Oh, I'll look him up in my big book of all birds. Here we go. Yeah, trumpeter hornbills are designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and dart in and around trees, catching flying insects, their favorite treat, without losing speed.
That's exactly right. Hey, do you all want to see how Miles flies in the wild?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to need your help. Come on over here.
Oh.
Raise your arms up to make a nice canopy of trees. That looks great. We've got a forest. Now hold it.
Nice forest.
Like this?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, so everybody hold nice and still. Keep your eye on Miles. It tends to be pretty quick when he's ready to go. All right, Miles, you ready? He's in the back, right back there. You ready? Nice. That direction works too. We'll try that again. You want to try that one more time? Are you ready, bud? There we go. All right. Yeah, we can do this flight. I know you can. Lots of treats in the back. All about positive reinforcement. Fly right through there. We've got a bunch of treats. There he goes. Nice. Are you ready, bud? We have a whole bunch of treats inside. Quick as can be. I might need an extra grape from the back because I gave him all the grape. Oh no, I do have an extra grape. I've got one right here. Here, I'm gonna show you this. I've got this lovely grape. Now that you ate all the ones that are up there. Some of your favorite treats and more in the back.
Wow.
There we go, okay. Now the hard part, yeah. Sometimes saying goodbye is the hardest thing. Right there. All the way. Left.
Hey!
There we go.
Point the birdie. Point.
Wow, he has a big beak. Just like Kevin.
Yeah, this is a ground hornbill. You know, also found in Africa.
Africa. Ground hornbills are amazing birds. They get their name from feeding on the ground with their big beaks.
But which they can use with the force of a sledgehammer.
Ooh.
Hey, Troop Leader Jones?
Yeah?
Which way is Africa?
Oh, it's right over. Boy, I don't. You know what? Let's use the compass. I put it right here in the bag. Well, oh, the bird's got my bag.
Hey,
boy.
you don't do that. Why don't you take that and keep
All
going
right.
that way?
Now I'll just get the. Oh no, the compass. Ooh.
The Wilderness Explorer compass.
Let me check. Oh no.
Everybody say hi to Keto. Thank you, Eric. Yeah, this is Keto. Keto is a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. But first things first, how about you give everybody a nice big greeting? A little greeting.
Little tiny one.
Yeah, Keto here lived in a home for many years, listened to everything going on around her, and along the way she picked up a few animal impressions. My favorite is the big, scary tiger. There you go.
Oh, that's pretty scary. Yeah. You got something less scary than that, though?
Less scary than a tiger.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that would be a kitty cat. But you know, not only did Keto learn those animal sounds, she also learned a song about animals as well. Do y'all want to hear Keto's song?
Oh, yeah.
All right, well, they're ready. Are you ready? Yeah, well, let's sing. You can do it. You ready? Yeah, let's sing.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
There we go. She learned something from watching all of you come to see her every day as well. So she does something really cute when she gets applause. So what do y'all think of Keto? Okay, thank you so much, but it is time to go. How about you say bye-bye? And that was Keto.
Hey. Oh, that Keto is 1 in a million.
Oh yeah, absolutely. This is our Andean condor. We call him Ozzy.
That is a big bird.
Yeah.
You are right. You know, condor is the largest member of the vulture family. In fact, Ozzy here, he's got a wingspan of about 10 feet across.
Whoa!
That's right, Russell. Oh, no need to worry, though. It says right here, vultures come in all sizes.
Yeah, and I hope you're ready for a closer look at this big vulture. Are you ready, Ozzy? Right on over here. There you go. See, there are many different species of vulture, and they're all so important because of what they eat.
In a way, you can call condors nature's recyclers.
And if we all recycled like this adorable condor, the Earth would be a much cleaner place. Well, Ozzy, you are doing a wonderful job. And how about this? How about we show off your cute little run? You ready? There you go. Keep going. Tugging the wings. That was Ozzy.
Yay!
Hey, Doug, why don't you say hi?
Hi there. I would like to meet you.
So you ready, bud? Hey, guys. Here, why don't you come over here with me, okay? You ready? Finding stuff on the ground, yeah. Messy treats. There you go. Hey, do any of you want to feed Fraser?
Oh, no.
Are you?
Yeah? Alright, this will be great. Why don't you come on over here? I've got a bowl with some of his favorite treats in it. Take that.
Oh, wow!
Russell, you've got it literally eating out of your hand.
He really goes gaga for birdseed.
Yeah, he does.
My hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
Birdie?
Well, Doug, bald eagles aren't actually bald.
How majestic.
Yeah, and inspiring. See, it wasn't that long ago the bald eagle was on the endangered species list. But then through conservation efforts, all of us came together to help their populations recover. You know, I am happy to say the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Hey, good for them. Russell, you truly had a great bird adventure. And so I hereby decree that you, and Doug, of course, have hereby earned your Wilderness Explorer Bird Badge. Hey, everybody, Russell got his Bird Badge.
Thanks, Troop Leader Joe.
You earned it, Russell.
Treasure the wilderness and the creatures that are around you. The wilderness must be explored.
That's right, Russell. Whoa.
Wow!
Now it's time to get you boys home.
See you later, wilderness explorers.
Bye-bye, everybody. Oh, here comes the chickens again.
Oh, Chippy Birdie, Dad, boy, what? Chicken Birdie, come here, come here, be my friend, be my friend.
Wait up.
Russell, we can Chicken Birdie. Thanks.
Sorry.
Bye, everybody. Russell! Doug! Where are you going? Oh, no.
Thank you, everyone. You've been a great audience. Enjoy the rest of your day here in the Nautical Club. Bye-bye.